I spent most of my time this past year demonstrating against these illegal wind turbines on Fosen. I just think that we as Sami youth have accomplished so many incredible things this past year, like forcing the government to apologize. But I also think that we're left with very many scars. One of mine being from seeing my little sister being arrested. And earlier this year we were put on trial together. And the court actually ruled in our favor, which was pretty cool. And I released this song, Sanid, just a few days before we went to court. And it's for my little sister and all my indigenous siblings that I am so honored to fight alongside.
Hva er det du mener vi skal gjøre for å bidra til at du fatter et vedtak fortere?
Smallest inside kaunan Temalist dia tamakede Cunduku tukanan Utas mulan Dayaga Emang kembali kasih Mungkin jadu Jamiro kalang kendah kara Hai kaskia Geroh dan Yamu Maruan Bersatu coba musani
Og fortsette å være synlig for det. Gjelder personer som ikke skal bli glemt. De skal ikke bli glemt.